Alright, today on All Terrain TV, we're back at the track here at Fuzzy Fly in Cecil, and we got some rain yesterday, and it's like they groomed the track, and it's not too sandy today. It's actually kind of hard packed, kind of muddy, so it's going to be a little different than what we're used to, but I think it's going to be easier in some ways because the sand gets so slippery sometimes. So it's like not even 8 o'clock, so we're gonna try to get out of here before noon, but let's go hit the track. So today we brought the 93 Honda CR125, and a couple weeks ago, maybe a month already, Travis got this, was it 99? It's a 2000 RM250. All new top end and bottom end.
Brand new everything.
Brand new everything. He polished it up pretty good. So, yeah, you get new chain guide, top end, bottom end, pretty much everything but the suspension. So it's broken by now, you think, but
It's almost got an hour on it.
oh yeah, he's got new bars, and both bikes have unbreakable levers. Yeah, it's first time at the track. Well, he had it at the track before, but now it's rebuilt. See, before it always had that stuttering issue, so he didn't want to hit jumps with it and have it bog, and but now it runs really good, so you should be able to ride it wherever you want. This one has a little stutter, but I'll see how it goes. So we just got done stretching, got putting on our gear. We're gonna go do some laps. Go. Ooh, that'll happen, you know. Travis is walking it off, and I'm really mad because my camera's acting up. I don't know what's going on. I really hope I got it on video, but looks like we got some visitors here. What the heck? What are you doing? Ooh. Travis got back on the bike, you know, had to still do a couple laps, got a couple hours left. I think the gas is off. Yep. At least it didn't cut out at the last minute up the face. That could have been dangerous.
You run out of gas? Yeah, Kyle, turn your gas on.